Solve the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus 5 equals negative 19. Let's begin by writing this in standard form equal to 0. To do that, we need to apply the distributive property. In this case, we have x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equals negative 19. On the left side here we have like terms. Combining those, we'll be left with x squared minus 2x minus 15 equals negative 19. And then finally, adding 19 to both sides, we have standard form x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. Once we have standard form, we can then identify a, b, and c for use in the quadratic formula. So in this case, a is 1, b is negative 2, and c, the constant term here, is 4. We're going to plug these values into the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2 times a. Now substituting in the values, we have negative b, or negative 2 in this case, plus or minus the square root of negative 2 squared minus 4 times ac, so 4 times a, which is 1, c is 4, all divided by 2 times a is 1. Now simplifying further, we have negative 2, which is positive 2, plus or minus the square root. Negative 2 squared is 4, so 4 minus 16, all divided by 2. Continuing, we have 2 plus or minus the square root. 4 minus 16 is negative 12 divided by 2. Now at this point we can write negative 12 as the square root of negative 4 times 3. And the square root of negative 4 is 2i. So we have 2 plus or minus 2i times the square root of 3 divided by 2. And then finally, reducing, 2 divided by 2 leaves us with a 1, plus or minus 2i square root of 3 divided by 2 leaves us with the term I times the square root of 3. So these are the two solutions to the original equation. Notice they're both complex.